All right, everybody. So I'm going to slide this up here. Okay. Get a green light there. That's a good sign. All right. So this is my table of data, and we're going to make a stem and leaf plot. The final result of the stem and leaf plot is this category over here. Okay. Now, what is our lowest number in the table up here? And what is the highest number? We got the earbuds out. Thank you. Okay, what's the highest number and the lowest number up in this table up here? Come on, stay with me. Everybody downloading some? Did you download this? Don't get up. I can send you down to the baseball coach. You can hang out with him all hour. What's that? 13 to 57. So our data is going from 13 to 57. So what that's telling us is our 10 spot is numbers 1 through 5. So that's this thing right here. Why did it just do that? Holy cow. Everybody good? Okay. Then to make the data, here's what they do. And I'm gonna basically do this part of it right now. So I got my numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these stand for 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Okay? So I go to my first piece of data. 50. 5, 0. Then I go to my next data. 26. 2, 6. Then I have another 26. So I put another 6 there. See what they're doing? Okay, then I'm going to go to 31. 3, 1. 57. 5, 7. Everybody following with me? Am I going too fast? What's that? Okay, so as we go through this data here, all these numbers are 2-digit numbers. Their first digit is this column right here. 10s, 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s. So I'm going to go back to my data. My first number is 50. 5, 0. My second number was 26. 2, 6. I have another 26. 2, 6.
Oh.
Okay. Then the next number was 31. 3, 1. Simon?
What if the numbers is in like 100?
So I'm going to get to that, son. You're an overachiever today, buddy. I love it. Okay. Good job. Okay. 31. We did 57. Now we're going to 19. 1, 9. 24. 2, 4. 22. 2, 2. 23. Right here. Everybody see how it's happening here? Now, if you look at this, that's what this table here is. Okay, everybody see that? That's what this table right here is. Okay. So what I'm doing right here ends up being this thing right here when you're all done. Now, the final answer is going to be this thing right here. And what did they do from this table over to this table? They ordered from least to greatest. So we had a 9, 3, 3, 3, 5, and they reordered it 3, 3, 3, 5, 9. Okay. We see that? Okay. And then they took the 2, 3, 3, 4, 6, 6, put them in order. All right. So what they've done, these are called the stems. All right. That's the stem. Like if you think like a maple leaf, there's a stem, and then there's the leaf that goes like that. These are considered the leaves. I don't know who right idea that was and came up with it. Now, what this data has now been done is they put it in order. 13, 13, 13, 15, 19. 22, 23, 23, 24, 26, 26, 30, 31, 34, 38, 49, 50, 50, 51, 57. So now they're all in order. Does that make sense? Okay, before we go any further, Simon asked the question, what do I do if I have numbers in the hundreds? So let's pretend I have another piece of data over here, Simon. I like to pretend neighborhood of make-believe here. So I got 121. My stems, I'm going to go 120s, 130s, 140s. So for 121, I put a 1 here, 147, 135, and if I had another 120, say I had 126, I'd put a 6 right there.
I'm just thinking how like hundreds and multiple of 2.
Say that again?
I'm going to be on 100 and like 50. No,
Oh, well then you're just going to say you have 100, and 50 is 5. So you'd have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's how we make a stem leaf plot. Now we're going to do the exact same things we did yesterday, finding the mode, the mean, the median. Okay? Let's scroll up, see what they did next. All right. So I just showed you how to make one. Now we're going to use it for data. All right. Now this one's got way more data in it. Okay. Here's a stem plot of percentage of residents aged 65 and older in 50 states and the District of Columbia. The low outlier is Alaska. What percent of Alaska residents are 65 or older? Ignoring the outlier, find the shape of the distribution. See if you can answer A and B while I go grab something off the printer for another student. All right. Does everybody think they have A and B answered? Okay, good thing about winning that iPad, you can always erase if you do it wrong, right? All right. The low outlier is Alaska. Well, first of all, let's answer this. I want you to answer this question here. Here's a stem plot of the percent of residents aged 65 and older in 50 states and the District of Columbia. So how many numbers should you have on the right side of my table over here?
50.
50?
51.
51. The 50 states and the District of Columbia. That's the city of Washington, D.C. That's not part of any state. So there's 51 states. So each number over here represents one state. All right. They said the low outlier is Alaska. What percentage of Alaska residents are 65 or older?
16.8%.
Yes. Okay. Now, here's a key down here. This time they're saying that this number is the 1 spot, not the 10 spot, and these are decimals. Does everybody see that? You got to read the key. So the key is saying, hey, 8/8 is 8.8. So the residents of Alaska is 6.8%. This is the number that's the outlier. It's 20 or 2 percentage points away from all the others. Morning, Caitlin, how are you? Good. All right. Now, ignoring the outlier, the shape of the distribution. So ignore this one, okay? Okay. So remember those 3 pictures we had yesterday? Now we turn it sideways. So would this be a normal, a left, or a right? I would say normal. It's pretty much kind of through the middle. They said ignore that number there. I would say normal. All right. Let's see if you guys can identify C and D. C should be easy. D might be a little bit more difficult than yesterday. All right. What is the highest number in this data set? Simon? 16.8. Right here. Minus, what's the lowest number?
6.8.
6.8, yep. Final answer, 16.8 minus 6.8. We get 10. Okay, and then we want to write this. Our answer should be in percentages. Oh, this first one up here should have been 6.8%. I don't know why I erased that part of it. All right, what is the mode? Now, this is a little harder to find than a dot plot. You're looking for the number that appears most often, and you're only looking in a single row at a time. Okay, what number appears the most? Yeah, I think the 13.3s. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Anybody see one that's more than that? So you see what I'm talking about? There's 5 of them. So that's the number that appears the most. 13.3. Why did I put a line over it? It doesn't repeat. I'm an idiot. All right. Now, there's 51 numbers. What do we do to find the middle number when it's odd? What did I tell you to do? Divide by 2 and then add the 0.5 on. So if there's 51 numbers in our table, 51 divided by 2 is 25.5. Add a half onto that. 0.5 onto 25.5? No, is 26. Okay, so your job now is to find the 26 number. See if you can find the median. All right.
No relationship between and all over. No. size.
All right. Are we good? Okay, we got this? Okay, I'm gonna show you two ways to find it. I always start at the top. I'm gonna count out 26 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Everybody get that? 12.8. Okay. Now, the other way to do this, okay, is to count from the bottom up. When you do, you start on the right and work back to the left. So I'm going to get the same answer. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Pretty good? Okay, how would you find the mean? Okay, I'm going to go over to my sideboard here. Okay, you're not going to actually calculate this one because it's so over the top. And I would not have you do this one on assignment because it's just way too many numbers. Okay. But what you would do, you go 6.8 plus 8.8 plus, I have, whatever, all of that, I erase this so I can see what the numbers are. Plus 9.7 plus 9.9 plus 10 plus 10.8 plus, I want to get to where I have repeaters, 11.1 plus 11, 2 times 11.5 plus 2 times 11.6 plus, and you keep going. Don't finish. This one's just way too long to do that. Okay? And then we divide by what number? 51. Yeah? No? All right. All right, we got one more example for you guys to do. I'm gonna let you go start to finish on this one, and I'm gonna walk around and see how you're doing. All right, so there's your data. You're gonna make your own stem and leaf plot, okay? Don't forget you have to make a key. So pick a number here. I'm gonna pick 77. So what does 7 represent? 77. Or in the last example, that would have represented 7.7. You guys do that one start to finish. Okay, and you're gonna make two. You're gonna make one where all the numbers are jumbled, and you're gonna make the second one in order. Everybody understand? Going back to this. So I should see two of these things. I should see this one where the numbers are out of order, and then a second one where they're in order. Give me about 5 minutes. All right, is everybody done with these? Or are we still working? Give them a minute. gonna start building this with you guys. If you haven't got this far, hopefully you got at least the 2 stem plots done. Okay, I see a low number of 40 and a high number of 100. Agreed? Okay. You may or may not have outliers. We'll start building though. So I'm gonna go in order. We got a 50, 100, an 89, a 60, 67, 40, 96, 50, 62, 61, 80, 82, 40, 71, 58, 60, 79, 52, 60, 42, 76, 77. Boom. They do not ask about outliers. What do you guys think? Outlier, no outlier? Oh, do they? Oh, well, jeez. What do you guys think of that? Outlier, no outlier? Maybe it'll help when let's put them in order here. So we're gonna go, so you should go 002, 0028, 0028, 000127, 1679, 029, 96, 100. Ah! Why did I do that? Okay, so I got scores that go 40, 40, 42, 50, a whole bunch, 50, 60, 70s, 80, 82, 89, 96, 100. What do you guys think? I want to answer that outlier question before I scroll it all. You think outlier? I don't know if I would call it an outlier, all right? Difference between 89 and 96 is 7, 100 is 4. I think I would just say it's not an outlier. All right, so we made the stem a leaf. What is our range? What do you guys got for range? Mason. Yep. 60. 100 minus 40? Yep. And do we have units on that? What units are we in?
Beats per minute.
Beats. Yep. Or beats per minute. Yep. What is the mode? What number appears the most? Which one do you guys have the most of? 60. You guys are rock stars. 60 beats per minute. All right, what is the median? Okay, how many numbers do we have?
23.
I got 22. Did I count wrong?
I counted.
I got 22.
22?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna go with 22. Okay, so if we have 22, what 2 numbers are the middle numbers? What's half of 22?
61.
11 and 12. So we're looking between the 11th and 12th. 1 to 11, and then 12 to 22. Oop. That's 11 numbers on each side. So we're going to go halfway between the 11th and 12th numbers. I'm going to start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 61 and 62, halfway between them. Halfway between 61 and 62. 61.5 beats. All right. What is the mean? All right. That one takes a little bit of work, and they're asking you to calculate it. All right. So I'm going to do that one over here. I'll spin my camera. All right. It's probably the hardest thing you're going to do all day. We're gonna divide by 22. Okay, I got 240s. The other thing you can do, what are 240s add up to? 40, 40, 80. Okay, then I got a 42. I got 250s. 100. Okay. I got a 52 and a 58. Okay. If you don't know what 3 times 60 is, you can do 3 times 60 and do it in your calculator in your head. I got 61, 62, and 67. Jeez, this is fun. 71, 76, 77, 79, 80, 82, 89, 96, and 100. Anybody add them all up and divide by 22?
Yeah.
What'd you guys get?
I got 66, that's the average.
66?
Yeah.
All right, good job, guys. So that's the average, 66. All right, let's scroll this. Describe the shape and the outliers. Okay, if you were gonna say the outliers, what would you call the outliers? If I were gonna say an outliers, I would say 2 of them. 196. But once again on the test, if I'm gonna give you an outliner test, I'm gonna make it clear that, yeah, that's way away, okay? This one I would not judge. What kind of distribution is this? Skews left or right? Skews left. So you're looking at it this way, skews to the left. All right, guys, get to your assignment. Have it done. Boom. Who's got a question? What didn't you post? Are you kidding me?
It is there.